is a short story about grasses today. So what are grasses anyway? Grasses is a group of plants which everybody knows, like we know wheat, barley, rice, because we eat them, right? And grasses became so abundant on Earth because they can do some unique stuff. Well, they pollinated with the wind. They also have interesting chemical feature. Stems and leaves of grasses are well embedded with silica. So you can hear the grass. There are grasses in tropical forest. And if you walk the tropical forest, you can hear the grass. That's the sound of grasses or sound of silica. Grasses are, as I told, wind pollinated. This is exactly, well, very unremarkable. Insects will ignore it, of course, inflorescence with small flowers. I don't know, by the way, how they pollinate with the wind in the tropical forest when wind is so little, so scarce. Well, they probably make it. They also probably use self-pollination and do quite well in the tropics. Most of tropical forest grasses have climbing or crawling stems with multiple roots. So it's not unsimilar to spiderwort family. So they're actually related, not exactly directly. And some of them have multiple bigger stems, and we call them bamboos. So bamboos also have stems with silica and with additional stuff, and these stems can persist for a very long time. Bamboos grow as a small plant first, then will become taller and taller. So one of branches here start to be bigger. Then I suspect that there will be even bigger one. And at some point, bamboos start to flower simultaneously and die. So bamboos are monocarpic plants. When they finish flower, they typically die. Bamboos also sound because of silica. This is another one. Very attractive small bamboo-like grass. And another one which is more typical like grass, not exactly bamboo, but also sounds, and also tropical forest grass. Thank you.